Hi again there, this is Attorney Craig and this is one lawyer's opinion. Well, the Supreme Court has come out last Friday and stated that gay marriage is legal, and the White House went ahead and was lit up in rainbow colors on Friday night. And I was reading the story on this, and there was mention that legalized gay marriage could have a positive impact on gay adoption. And what I really have to say about gay adoption is I believe that the law needs to take into consideration of a child's rights and a child's lack of ability to consent, and that there should probably be some age by which consent to being raised in a homosexual household will be required to be obtained. And I think a lot of the states, the age of consent in adoption is 12, although it can range from about 10 to 14 years of age. And in many states, the legal age of capacity, which may be different than consent, is about age 7. So I really believe that when it comes to the young being subjected to an upbringing in a homosexual environment, that is a wrong thing to do simply because the child cannot legally give its consent to such living arrangement and being brought up in a gay environment. And I don't believe that the state or any individual can foist upon a child that does not have the capacity to consent legally to be forced to live in a situation that is contrary to nature. And I believe that we can only really go by what nature has set forth as being an acceptable environment without the need to a consent. There's just not a need for gays to have to adopt very young children. There are more than enough heterosexual families out there that can take in the very young, the young that are below the age of consent. So basically my take is this legalization of gay marriage should not usher in newfound rights to be able to go around a non-consenting child's consent and allow gay marriages or gay couples to raise non-consenting children. Again, the natural environment would be for the child to be raised in a heterosexual environment, and the situation should default to that when you have a child that is not of the age to give consent. So I believe consent should be required for a child to be brought into a homosexual environment, and if that child cannot give the consent, you simply cannot adopt. Okay? Until such age that the child can give consent. So that's one lawyer's opinion. What's yours?